In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to turn off Apple Pencil on iPad. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly disconnect your Apple Pencil, regardless of the model, from an iPad. This will make sure that it is going to be completely disabled and you won't do any accidental inputs and leave it connected overnight and so on. In order to turn it off completely, all that you have to do is access these settings. So on the iPad, where you have the Apple Pencil connected, go into these settings and you will find the Bluetooth options on this menu at the left side of the screen. So go into the Bluetooth category, and assuming that your Apple Pencil is indeed connected, it is going to appear underneath My Devices. So you will see it listed here as the Apple Pencil. This will work regardless of the generation of Apple Pencil or iPad that you have. When you find the Apple Pencil here, you have to tap on this eye or information icon. So tap on the little eye that you see and you will find two options: disconnect, or the most important one, forget this device. If you tap disconnect, that is, if it appears for you, it is going to be temporarily disconnected, but I believe most people will only see forget this device. So if that's the case, all that you have to do is tap forget this device, and now it is going to be completely disabled. It will essentially be powered off and it will not remain connected to your iPad. If you would like to connect it again, then you just have to follow the same steps that you did the first time that you set it up. But to disconnect it, it's as simple as going over to the Bluetooth settings, finding it underneath My Devices, tapping on the information icon, and then forget this device. Upon doing this, as the name of the option here suggests, it is going to be completely forgotten. So if you would like to add it again, you have to repeat the manual pairing process. I hope I was able to help you on how to turn off Apple Pencil on iPad. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.